This is a high wind watch. For the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park in Nederland, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range in the Indian Peaks. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. What? West winds 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour possible. Where? The Northern Front Range foothills, the Mosquito Range, and the Front Range Mountains including Rocky Mountain National Park and the Indian Peaks. When? From Tuesday morning through late Tuesday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.